My name is Cassandra Hepp, and I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer. Well, I live in Edmonton, and I rotate 3 weeks on, 3 weeks off to Resolute Bay, Nunavut. So we call female aircraft maintenance engineers unicorns, and it's because we're very few and far between. So there's not a lot of us out there. I love camping, I love fishing, quadding, skidooing, pretty much anything outside. I love that every day is different. So far in my career, I have been to some amazing places in Canada that not a lot of people have been able to see, probably will ever see. I've been to Eureka, which is the most northern Canadian post office, and then Alert is the most northern habited place in the world, and it's 83 degrees north. When I'm in Resolute Bay, I am in charge of the airplane that's coming through. So I get to depart the airplane. I'm up at 3:30 a.m. and I'm putting heat on it. I'm hooking up the ground power unit. I'm gonna drive around the de-icing so the ramp people can de-ice the airplane, and then I'll wave goodbye to them when they depart at 7 a.m. I just want to show young girls that we can do these jobs and to inspire young girls to see us doing these roles, aircraft maintenance, and thinking like, hey, there's a girl doing that, like I could do that.